Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your name servers in Godaddy. First, log into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, click on your name at the top right corner and go to the products section. Normally, you'll see all of your domains listed here. But if you don't, just click on the My Account option at the top, then go to the domain section. Next, select the domain you want to work with. Once you're on the domains page, click on the DNS settings. Inside the DNS section, go to the name servers area. Now, this is where you can make the change. So click on Change Name Servers. Select the option that allows you to use your own name servers. After that, enter the name server details provided by your hosting provider. When you're finished, scroll down and click the Save button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click Continue to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name servers in Godaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.